Welcome to Kilcoy Global Foods, a leading provider of premium food solutions. Over the past decade, we've embarked on a transformative journey, focused on increasing efficiencies and safety throughout all our facilities, driven by innovation. Today, we stand on the threshold of a groundbreaking advancement in our manufacturing process as we unveil the result of a remarkable 15-year journey, the Robotic scribe carcass cutting technology. Let us show you the future of sustainable meat production in our world's first facility right here in Kilcoy, Queensland, Australia.
What we're doing now, from a manual cutting perspective, the accuracies are not there. We have operators currently working on those saws, scribing carcasses for a 10-hour period, and it's not an easy job. And they don't get the accuracy that we need from a yield perspective, product specification, and there's a fatigue factor as well. As a business, we see that this stage of the process is so critical for setting the boning room up for success on the back of scribing the cuts and giving the boning room the right pattern to follow through to break the carcass up. We see it being critical to get the yields, the consistency of product, and delivering the product to specification to customer.
So the robotic scribing system sits post-chilling, so the bodies have gone down to temperature and it's prior to obviously entering the boning rooms. We have identified 4 key cuts, 2 cube roll separations, the 5th, 6th rib and the 10th, 11th rib, and also the chuck rib, short rib cutting lines. The workup done there allows the boner to be able to put the knife in the correct spot to optimise yields and throughputs throughout the business.
So to kick things off, the operator initiates the system by resetting the safety and hitting the start button. All the robots then go through their initialization routines and the system is ready to start receiving carcasses from their production chain. The carcasses come onto a stabilization conveyor where they then move past a series of cameras. Vision processing and AI tasks then identify the key features of interest on the carcass, which define where the robots need to cut. The first robot performs the 2 spine cuts, so the carcass will move in front of the imaging camera, the 3D cameras. The cut locations will then be calculated, sent to the robot. It will perform one of the spine cuts and then move out of the way so that the cameras can perform another image and recalculate where the second cut goes. This is actually quite important because this refixturing of that second cut is what enables us to ensure that even with slight movement from performing the first cut, millimetre accuracy is maintained. The carcass then continues through the cell, past another series of cameras before it reaches the second robot, where it undergoes the same process of vision processing, this time to calculate the 2 vertical rib cuts. The optimal cut paths are defined for the individual carcass that is presented in front of the robot, and these are sent to the robot, which performs the 2 vertical rib cuts and it proceeds out of the cell.
What's made this happen, obviously, is Kilcoy's desire to drive innovation. The squareness of the cuts that we're taking off the carcass through the AI, they're like peas in the pod. Our cube rolls and strip lines and other cuts will be more consistent. The customer will open the box and they'll see the difference. Puts Australia ahead of the world in regards to meat processing technology.
I believe the project will enhance people's ideas of what's possible. A lot of that technology and concepts can be utilised elsewhere as well, but not only in beef but also in lamb. I think we can definitely say that the project will enhance people's thoughts and ideas for moving forward.
After 45 years in the industry, we used to cut briskets with saws and axes back in the early days. Now we're sitting here talking about AI technology to scribe carcasses. I'm very proud to be involved in it. I'm confident that it's going to over-deliver what we put up in the first place.
And I think that we've built a team around this project that has made this dream become a reality, and we're at that point where the reality is here now on the doorstep.